Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Wi-Fi direct password on Epson L3150 model. So basically you'll have the Wi-Fi button and this button, so just hold it down for 7 seconds, both these buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, what we need to do is just wait until it stops flashing this light, and basically after it's done you'll need to perform a Wi-Fi password print check. So basically what we need to do is just put some white paper right here in the printer and hold it down this button for 7 seconds, and after that you'll get printed your first page that will look like this, and you'll see Wi-Fi direct and you'll see the password right here. Now you can just download an app like Epson Scan and connect your printer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.